What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI cash withdrawal from grocery cashier. So ngayon guys, may bagong feature si BPI. Sorry ang hangin. Ito ba? Sinisira niyo yung buko. So may bagong feature ngayon si BPI guys, which is allows you to withdraw cash from grocery cashier. So ibig sabihin, sa isang department store, pwede kayo makapag-withdraw ng cash kapag nag-generate kayo ng barcode. So, via barcode siya, guys. Pag-uusapan natin, guys, kung magkano nga ba yung minimum withdrawal at saka yung maximum withdrawal. At saka kung saan siya pwede gawin or kung saan pwede mag-withdraw. Kasi hindi siya pwede, guys, na basta lang kayo pumunta sa isang grocery store at sabihin nyo mag-withdraw kayo via BPI. Hindi po. Partner establishments lang nila ito pwede. Para hindi kayo mapahiya. Pero bago yun, nais mo lang kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, BPI launches cash withdrawal from grocery cashier. So ito ay posted by ABS-CBN News. As you can see, BPI has launched a new service for allowing its customer to withdraw money from select grocery or department store cashiers. This service is free of charge. So, this service is free of charge. So, ibig sabihin, wala siyang charges. Like, for example, nag-withdraw kayo ng 10,000, 10,000 talaga yung ma-withdraw nyo at wala kayong babayarang convenience fee. So, as you can see, guys, here from News, Digitibank PH updates, nakalagay. Bank of the Philippine Islands, BPI, customer can now withdraw money for free at select Robinsons retail stores. So, ibig sabihin, Robinsons retail stores. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwede sa SMs, guys. Robinsons grocery stores lang siya without using ATM card. The transaction uses a barcode generated from the BPI app. So via BPI app or BPI online, mag-generate kayo ng barcode doon which is yun yung ipipresent which can be presented at partner stores such as Robinsons Supermarket and Shopwise. So ito guys, mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung saan kayo pwede mag-withdraw. The feature is available in more than 300 branches across the country with a minimum withdrawal amount of 100 pesos and a maximum amount of 10,000 pesos per barcode. So per barcode siya guys. Minimum is 100 pesos tapos yung maximum is 10,000 pesos lang. If you remembered guys, BPI and Robinsons merged together. So merged, there's a merger which is nag-collaboration sila or magkaisa sila. BPI has partnered with Robinsons Retail Holdings Incorporated, which owns Robinsons Supermarket, Robinsons Department Store, The Marketplace, Shopwise, Robinsons Easy Mart, and No Brand, and Toy R Us in the Philippines. This gives BPI over 300 additional branches to withdraw money at no extra cost. So as you can see guys, no extra cost. Ibig sabihin, wala kayong babayaran. So ito guys, ito yung dapat nyo lang kung saan kayo makapag-withdraw. Kung gusto nyo malaman saan pwede mag-withdraw, makakapag-withdraw lamang kayo sa partner supermarket nila like sa Robinsons Supermarket, Robinsons Department Store, The Marketplace, Shopwise, Robinsons Easy Mart, and No Brand, Toy R Us in the Philippines. So, ibig sabihin guys, doon lang kayo pwede mag-withdraw. Hindi kayo makapag-withdraw sa mga supermarket na hindi nabanggit dito. Dapat aware kayo guys para hindi kayo mapahiya. Mamaya, nagwawala kayo doon, pumunta kayo sa SM Department Store, sabihin mo na, may bagong feature si BPI na pwede mag-withdraw sa Department Store cashier. Huwag ganun. Alamin nyo muna guys kung saan kayo pwede makapag-withdraw via BPI online barcode generated which is 100 pesos yung minimum at saka yung maximum is 10,000. Ito uulitin ko guys, doon lang kayo pwede mag-withdraw sa Robinsons Supermarket, Robinsons Department Store, The Marketplace, Shopwise, Robinsons Easy Mart, and No Brand at the same time sa Toy R Us in the Philippines. So in the Philippines na Toy R Us guys ha. Ganon siya. So ito guys, nais ko lang kayo bigyan ng tips, no? Lagi ko itong sinasabi kasi delikado yung bank accounts natin since ito ay naglalaman ng hard-earned money. So hard-earned money, pinaghirapan natin yung laman yan. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo kung paano nyo mapangalagaan yung bank accounts ninyo. Like for example, sa BPI savings account, guys, naglalaman nyo ng confidential details kapag may nakaling na debit card. So make sure lang guys na inaalagaan ninyo yung debit card ninyo. Huwag nyo binabalantra yung details. So ito guys, nais ko malaman na itong BPI cash withdrawal from grocery cashier is bago lang. As you can see guys here, BPI has launched a new service allowing its customer to withdraw money from select grocery or department store cashiers. This service is free of charge. So, nakita ko tong post na to is nung nakaraan lang, kaya naman marami pang i-improve ang service na ito. Hindi siya basta ganun lang, hindi siya ganito ganyan. May mga possible na inconvenience pa kayong may experience. Kasi nagkakaroon ng trial and error, of course. Minsan, hindi 100% operational, so kailangan nyo maging mapag-intindi. Mamaya, hindi pwede yung system, wag na kayo magpumilit. Mamaya kasi magka-error at nagkaroon ng deduction, mas hassle sa end ninyo. Pag sinabi ng cashier na offline muna, hindi pa pwede makapag-withdraw, wag na kayo magpumilit. Okay? Nakalagay kasi dito is BPI offers free cardless withdrawals at Robinsons stores. Customers can use a barcode from the BPI application or app to withdraw cash at participating Robinsons retail branches. Kasi kung napapansin nyo guys, si Robinsons Bank at saka si BPI, isa na lang sila ngayon. Pwede kayo makapag-withdraw gamit yung debit card ni BPI sa Robinsons Bank nang walang bayad. Free of charge yun. Kasi nagkaroon sila ng merger. They merged together para magkaisa yung clients nila. So nakalagay dito is over 300 branches. Then yung transaction na pwede nyong maggawa is nasa Robinsons retail stores lang talaga siya. Tapos ngayon, kailangan nyo maintindihan na kapag hindi kayo, tulad nga ng sabi ko, kapag offline, wag na magpumilit. Kasi baka yung na-generate ninyong barcode is ma-scan, tapos na-deduct doon sa system, magkakaroon ng transaction sa BPI savings account ninyo. Sinasabi ko to keep you secured. Kasi kapag nagkaroon guys ng ganun, tatawag kayo ngayon sa BPI customer service, mag-aantay kayo ng certain period of time na para ma-refund yung pera na yon. Kaya naman dapat maging aware kayo na wag na magpumilit. Kasi ito guys, nais kong malaman ninyo na bagong feature ito ni BPI para sa convenience ng clients nila. Kaya naman dapat matuwa tayo na BPI clients, kasi meron din akong savings account sa BPI, tatlo yung savings account ko sa kanila. At natutuwa ako guys na nagkaroon ng ganitong feature for convenience. Kasi totoo lang, medyo madalang o hindi ganun karami yung BPI ATM. Totoo yan. Kaya naman ngayon, ginagawa nila is nagkakaroon ng collaborations with other companies like sa Robinsons. So, madadagdagan yung pwede kayong makapag-withdraw, which is 100 pesos yung minimum, then 10,000 yung maximum withdrawal amount. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!